Let's be honest, washing your truck is one of those things that's either therapeutic or a full-blown tactical operation, depending on how dirty things got. And today, it's gonna be both. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna show you how I wash my Chevy Colorado ZR2 using some gear that actually makes it fun and doesn't require you to fight your garden hose for dominance. Let's start with the tactical heart of this operation. The Giraffe Tools Grand Falls wall-mounted pressure washer. This bad boy's mounted, coiled, and ready like a fire station hose for car guys. It's got 100 feet of retractable hose, so I'm not dragging some limp noodle across my driveway. Pull it out, blast, retract, done. It's a little noisy, but it's always ready. No setup time, no untangling knots, like you're some new boot in the academy. Next up, the Astro AI foam cannon. It turns your pressure washer into a soap launching war machine. I fill mine up with Dawn dish soap. I know, I might get some hate for this, but to each his own, and it works for me. It unleashes snowy justice on anything that dares to call itself dirt. It's basically a pre-soak and a vibe. My neighbors think I opened up a car wash. I just like foam, alright? I don't skip the details either. This complete car cleaning brush kit comes with enough gear to clean your wheels, trim, emblems, and even those weird spots where bugs go to die. Regular guy tip: soft brush on paint, stiff brush on tires. Don't mix them up unless you want swirls that look like your truck is fighting cats. And when it's time to dry, I don't just wait for the sun like I'm drying laundry in 1950. I hit it with this Ryobi compact blower. Not because it's fancy, but because blowing water off your paint is faster, safer, and way more fun than dragging a towel around like a wet tortilla. Plus, it sounds like a jet engine at startup. Then I dry off the little bit of residual with a proper microfiber towel. Not an old gym shirt. We're better than that. Last step, the armor. I like Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. This stuff is awesome and I highly recommend it. Super easy to apply, smells decent, and it adds a thick layer of protection from UV, water spots, and road grime. I like to spray it onto the microfiber towel, wipe it onto the truck, and done. It's like giving your paint a force field with less sci-fi and more silky shine. Look at this thing. So that's my current truck wash setup. Simple, satisfying, and maybe just a little bit overkill. I started out with the bucket and sponge method too, but I've slowly upgraded my wash setup over the years. Around here, drive it like you mean it and wash it like you care. Everything I use is linked to the description below, so check those out if you want to level up your driveway detail game. It helps support the channel and our growing community. Thank you all for watching Tacticool Drive, where we love our gear and our rides. If you're still here, like the video and maybe consider subscribing. No pressure, it's just a click. YouTube says you'll like this next video, and they might be right. Check it out, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.